Only kids can hear this sound. Yep, you heard it right. In this video, I will play a special sound for you. This sound has a high frequency, and I believe that only kids can hear it. If you are not a kid, there is very less chance that you can hear this sound. Okay, so let's see if you can hear this sound or not. Are you ready? But before, only some fast peoples can like and share this video before I play the sound. Okay, sound that only kids can hear will play in 3, 2, 1. Listen closely. Did you hear it? Okay, let me play it again with 200% volume. Still don't hear it? Let me play it one more time with 400% volume. So, can you hear this sound? Tell me in the comments.